So now we're getting another wave. I thought it was going to stop, and it's starting up again. My God, I'm so glad the horses are in the barn. I got hit a couple times. It hurt like hell. Hot Spirit. Hi, Onyx. Hi, baby. Hello, sweetie. Here, let's give them treats. Oh, pellets taste good. Pellets. Oh, yummy. Let's have some pellets. Ooh, yum, yum. Oh, give me pellets. Give me pellets. There we go. There we go. Hey, Jack, you want a pellet? You want a pellet? Here you go, Spirit. There you go. Hey, Jack, you want another pellet? Oh, the TV finally went off. Lost my signal. Hey, you. Yeah. Hey. Hello. Hello. Hi, Jack. Are you a good boy? Hi, Jackie. You my buddy. Is that scary, Jack? Wow, that's scary. Aren't you glad Mommy's with you? Oh, you want more? Aw. Hi, baby. You want some more? You want some more? Here it goes again. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my. Wow. Unreal. What's the matter, baby? So you guys want a peppermint? Want a peppermint? There, we'll go in the drawer and get a peppermint. They love their peppermint. There's the peppermint. Num num. Peppermint. Yummy yum. Wow, what a storm, huh? What a storm, wowzer. That was bad. Ooh, goodness gracious. I'm going to go inside for a minute now that it's not coming down so bad, so I'll be back soon, girls. I'll be watching out my bedroom window. Okay? This is good practice for you guys to be brave. I'm so proud of both of you. So proud.